having a short credit history is going to make it a little bit more difficult to get that credit score up high. So the longer that the credit history is, always having payments on time. If you miss a payment, do it only as needed. If you have a foreclosure, that's going to show up. So your credit history is going to make a humongous difference to what that credit score is. And that credit score is the golden ticket to all of the different financing options and different financing things that you need in life to move yourself forward as an investor and, creating wealth down the road. Trust me, you don't want to pay cash for everything. You want to keep cash and you want to finance what you need, and you want to do it smart. You want to get the lowest interest rates you can possibly get. And the higher that the credit score is, the better that the interest rate will be on the debt that you want to borrow. And the better that the payment will be, the lower that it will be. So if it's an investment, it's going to be the bigger the return will be. If you buy a house and you get a lower rate and the payment is lower and you put a renter in it, the return is bigger than if you take a higher interest rate because your credit score was lower. So keep that in mind. It makes a big difference. Just like I said, you can get an FHA loan at a 580 credit score, but you're going to get a much higher interest rate. So your monthly bill is going to be higher for the home you live in than what it could be if your credit score was better. So again, then you're paying more money, you're spending more money, you have less money available each month for cash flow. All the way around, your credit is key, and it's very, very important.